Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to erase video in Capcut. To begin, open your project and locate the video clip you wish to remove on the editing timeline. Simply tap on the clip to select it. You'll see a white border appear around it. Then, look for the Delete button, usually found at the bottom of your screen, and tap it. Your clip will be gone in an instant, making your editing process much smoother. Sometimes you only need to remove a small portion of a longer video. To do this, first position the white playhead exactly where you want the unwanted section to begin. Tap the Split tool, which looks like a pair of scissors, to cut the clip. Then, drag the playhead to the end of the segment you want to remove and split the clip a second time. Now, simply select the middle segment and tap Delete. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something important. Capcut provides handy undo and redo arrows, usually located at the top of your screen. The undo arrow, curving left, will reverse your most recent action, while the redo arrow, curving right, will bring it back. If you want to completely clear your project, you can either start a brand new project or manually select and delete all the individual clips on your timeline. For more efficient editing, you can select and delete multiple clips at once. Simply long press on one clip, then drag your finger across others to select them all, and then tap Delete. Remember to check for any active keyframes on clips you're removing, as these can affect other parts of your video. Always take a moment to preview your entire edited video before exporting to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.